This week on Entertainment Recap, Shenseea networking at BET Awards. After party, Beenie Man, Sean Paul and Wayne Wonder pass the mic with DJ Cassidy. These and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. After being missing in action on her social media platforms, especially Instagram, Shenseea is definitely coming in hot. Out and about and also networking at the BET Awards after party.
Having the beans is okay. Is it okay if I call you my private? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of pay. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, baby. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby.
From exchanging numbers with US-based singer Chloe Bailey to taking pictures with rapper Yo Gotti, sharing giggles with awarded female rapper Megan Thee Stallion, and lots more. Shenseea totally enjoyed her night based on those big smiles while networking. Pass the Mic with DJ Cassidy had the virtual vibe of the BET after party, and you know we had to be a part of the vibe. Beenie Man, Wayne Wonder and Sean Paul were the Jamaican plug. Here's a bite from the night. Intence was a bit too intense, or some Cayman Island parents thought. Intence visited the John Gray's High School in Cayman Islands, where he was invited to be a part of a Boys to Men mentorship program during their lunch hour. Despite the fact that Intence was not disrespectful and addressed the children well, parents took to social media on how they felt about him. They made claims that his character is distasteful and he is no role model for their children. Here are some of the highlights from Everything 345.
Step up!
Good afternoon, John Gray High School, right? Yeah. We're not in a long time, some of the youth know stay in a school, focus, work hard, not only hard but smart. Big up on yourself, right?
It's one up for Jamaica again. Among other Caribbean countries, Jamaica have been featured in Apple's new international campaign in aid of the upcoming Olympic Games. Jamaica being one of the top-tier countries when it comes on to track and field, Apple states that the band was designed to celebrate the indescribable drive and competitive spirit of all athletes and fans. This week's new music comes from D Major with She Can Give Away, and the choir featuring Kranium and Dexta Daps with High Get High. Sound nice? Take a look.
Even when I go a million miles away, my baby saves her loving for me. She not give it away. And even when I'm gone, I know that she won't stay. Yes, she saves her loving for me. She not give it away. Keep it right, she keep it clean. She no make no other lion intervene. No disturbing my queen. All when in the depth on the scene. They think I'm crazy. Oh, this thing I get up and I put so much trust in I'm lady. But she keep it exclusive. Even when I go a million miles away, my baby saves her loving for me. She not give it away. And even when I'm gone, I know that she won't stay. Yes, them know we stay, yeah, them know we stand. Always a smile, but my dogs them wild. Chop up the road, collect couple cars. Not trust nobody, just say hi and bye. We up, yeah, 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 yeah. We up, yeah, yeah. Tonight, I just wanna be high. Tonight, I just wanna be high. I just wanna be high. Yeah. This are the time, don't watch the clock right now. Them know we dark, but we are stuck right now. Where we are, we're Balenciaga, we run the place. Feel I wanna grab up on a feeling, girl screaming when I reach in. Everything seems so cool, and I'm here for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, this individual. Happy birthday to you. This week's birthday shout out goes to reggae musician Rankin Joe. Have a happy birthday while continuing to do great work. And just guess what? Relax and big up who? You! And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Follow us on all socials at pbcjamaica. Thanks for Air Candy for just always a support the Entertainment Recap and keep me decked out in my lovely earrings, of course. Remember to follow them on all socials at the Air Candy Collection. Just remember, always and forever, big up, oh, you!